Hi guys, today we're having a look at the facelifted version of the Westfalia Sven Hedin. That's right guys, so if you didn't know, Westfalia have been designing a new Sven Hedin. When I say new, probably more of a facelift than new, but they've done it to coincide with the new style interior for the MAN TGE. Which is also the Volkswagen Crafter. So you've probably seen shots before of the dashboard and all that kind of stuff, where it's got the automatic gearbox on the stalk and it's or on the dashboard, and then it's also got electronic handbrake and those kind of things, kind of smoothed out interior for the cab. What Westfalia decided to do was use that as an opportunity to redo the interior of the Sven Hedin, give it a bit of a facelift and make a few little tweaks and changes. Now, this year, unfortunately, we haven't managed to get the right amount of time to get to Dusseldorf, which is the Caravan Salon show where all of the new models tend to come out each year first, and Westfalia have put their prototype of the new model on their stand. But I know a man who went, and that is Steve from Campervan. So a massive thank you to Steve for this, because when I knew he was there, I popped him a quick message and I said, Steve, get in there early when there's no one around, get some video for us and take some pictures so we can show it on the channel. And Steve, you've done an amazing job. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you're thinking about hiring a campervan, make sure you check out Campervan. They've also put some footage on their own Facebook page about the new California as well, because that's what they rent, Californias and Grand Californias. So do check them out, link in the description below. Right, on with the Sven Hedin then. Let's run the video. I'm going to do a bit of voiceover and I'll try and put some titling on so you can see the main differences of the new facelift.
Hi Will and Sarah, here we go. Hi, it's Steve here from Campervan, reporting for Campervan Time. Hi Will and Sarah. This is the vehicle you're looking at. You were after the specs. That's the list of options there. And this gentleman was very kindly going to tell me what's new about the new model.
They have a new mosquito. It's smaller with a new koelschrank. This is about 3 centimeters smaller, so you have here a bigger space. A new design in the hood and what we have here also the new display with everything inside.
Okay, I'd like to come and have a look at that display.
And the option is you can heat it electric, so when you're in nature campings you don't need the diesel anymore.
Excellent.
So you can heat with electric power. So with the new design, it's a complete new look, and what great about is you have also new colors for the outside, like this color, the blue one, the red one. That's all the new colors.
Okay, and the bathroom's all the same? Improvements there?
It's a little bit different.
Cool. And this design is all identical as
Yes.
the previous model?
Yeah.
So as Steve just gives us a final walk around here, what do you think to these changes? That combined new sink and hob unit, got the control panel on the left hand side there with a bit of wood round it, and then obviously the change of colour of all of the cabinets. You've got the grey cabinets there as well, or the outsides of the cabinets. Probably a bit more contemporary. I think the walls inside, so all the cladding and everything, all looks still in that kind of off-white colour. And obviously then we've got the fridge, and that's probably about the most controversial change of the whole redesign, I think. Some will love having a freezer. I think some will question the lack of the two big baskets that's in the current model. So what do you think? Inside the bathroom here you can see there's different coloured walls to the ones that we have in our van. So we've got grey on the two outer edges in the back of the door, but apart from that it looks pretty much the same. And this build here is on an old style crafter, so if you're MAN, so if you were thinking that the dashboard looked old, that's right, this is one of the older styles. So there we go then. Tell me what you think in the comments below of the facelifted version. Do you prefer the kind of the model that we've always had, and the Sven Hedin on the MAN TGE and the Volkswagen Crafter hasn't changed since it first came out on this platform? So obviously separate sink, separate hob unit, obviously the drawer style fridge with the two baskets rather than the new style. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the new one. Do you like it? Do you like that kind of fresher interior, the grey, different colour scheme, and obviously the integrated kitchen units and things and the different style fridge and stuff? Let me know what you think. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. I've really enjoyed having a look at the new Sven Hedin, even though it's kind of virtually been done by Steve for us. Hopefully you've enjoyed it too. We'll see you again soon for some more Campervan Time.